Monday, another new day for Naptori. Salute for country people the way they did for side for Aqua. So one day we did for side for Hotel Lunde. Una they send a motor for that side. One day we did for corner Equinox here. My boy them for that side for Rue de la Casse. Yes, una they send different thing them. And salute big one. They go now for people the way they did for that side for Northwest. And one them for side for Southwest. We the talk with him. Una hold am tight. We sabi say so kenden inside Northwest and Southwest. It dey make we heart. It dey cut plenty as how we people they that's so die for that side them. We go talk that palaver inside Tori today. We go start now with the Tori for corner side. Waiting the happen for corner side. Now that's so palaver for carry people them, kill them, carry people them, tie them for bush, ask money, carry people them their house, burn them inside Northwest and Southwest as how we palaver for kenden it dey go that's so for before. Waiting the happen today. With the USA waiting for some big church for that side for Limbe. Them don't can carry 2 people them, 3 people them for inside that church. That means waiting them carry 2 people plus driver for some church for that side for Limbe. They go with them for the bush. They ask pastor for that church say waiting make it pay money 600,000 that money where they ask him for say waiting if you want to see the church people them again, if family people for the people that want to see the people again, make them pay that money. For people them where they call them for phone talk say self them they hold that people the way they don't pick them. So we that's what follow that Tori. We go come back for this. Sabi to say waiting people them for Tori. They don't the glad plenty for Highway Joe Chebonkeng he and the people them for that side for National Communication Council. They give them power and one them they talk say waiting one day where they be go learn Tori book now for university for Boya Lekewi. So them they talk say waiting. We will be there for that side. Then we be know some man that they call him say who Professor Eno Tanjong. He says be there inside people them way they be they put them for the chair inside Yaoundé for National Communication Council. Now so we see all boy them where they sabi say JMC na journalism and mass communication na the department that inside university for Boya. Them could gather today for talk say waiting they talk say papa na good thing for you. Them be happy for say you don't come up for university you see get big work inside that side for Yaoundé. So Mr. I will come out for here. I could there for that side because that part 2 be teach me time way me I be there for that side. Na Tori people them that their own thing but inside Tori today country people because see say we get Tori plenty. Today we no go waste time for the talk thing we then for corner side we talk to we will get time inside Tori. We go show in a worker for Vex, boy them and get them come out inside Baminda. Vex will take the bond security post. Why the Vex for Sika say they kill some their man, they shoot it, kill them. So worker for Vex again. Now gather for Vex, Cameroon people them, they gather on side for France. They talk say waiting, think them they go back for inside country. Vex they them sute, they send some strong message where they worry people them place they don't start the shake for that talk where they talk for that side for France so for weekend. Inside Tori today, we go take una go show una pikin where person born am. He man for that side for Kumba. Good day for the pikin them carry. And so inside Tori today, we go show una a thing where it day for Garwa. Sabi say weti question it don't come be now with that palaver for African Cup of Nation. They go play for that side for Garwa or they no go play am for Sika say weti. They talk say Sheffield he not be ready. Sep Hotel and Hospital he not be ready. They go play AFCON 2021 for Garwa. Question wake up you go give an answer so for inside Tori today. Yes, country people we start now with the column say big people them talk wait be big people them talk today now say waiting man way he get fingernails you know they cry koro man we get fingernails you know they cry koro the one popo we come out for Joël Lafleur na makombi them where they sell motor for that side for Hotel Lunde sabi say waiting na inside Aqua for Douala here we sabi say waiting self now so they sit down for that corner motor them they that's so look up where they not Tori na makombi them that so after that I go see them thank una plenty for that strong talk say waiting finger man we get fingernails you know they cry koro inside Tori today country people how we talk time for talking you know the plenty we face the scene at the one na strong number we come up for that side for Bamenda boy them they wake up Vex when I see how the whole flower the whole all the leaves them they wake up they talk say waiting how many people them could die inside northwest and southwest. They sing say wetin how many people them could kill them inside northwest and southwest. Una sabi the song plenty. The song they don't sing am for different side them inside northwest and southwest for different day themselves. Say the day they be carrying na the die body for the padiman where they carry so the padiman they talk say wetin na man wey we get good heart. He be there for that side no be the fine man the palava. He hunting I say wetin make it go for Facebook writing way picking them go get them so that makes sense. It come for their skin. It won't be bad day for you. It won't wake up. It pass for some control post. Them shooting na shoot them. Kill him. The boy the vex with the commodity body for that side. Carry pass for side for Ndamukong. Carry go even reach for side from Quen. Carry from different side them inside that side for Bamenda. They talk so wetin na body this. Una don't shoot them, kill them. How many youth them una go kill them inside northwest? How many mommy and papa them una go kill them inside southwest? How many people them could die for say the palava for inside northwest and southwest? They finish yes. So the boy where them kill it in name na Jibri. Plenty people they talk say they sabi that boy inside Bamenda as man way be they do na good. Muna hear the boy then type with the vex. They go for side where they talk say na for place that way gonna enter that boy in moto because we then inside a moto begin they go back for a house as how way they tori with for that side what tori people them. This side they talk say wetin gun be common for this side they say na security post side where them shoody the boy they go scatter the place. Muna see am. Yes, country people now vex that inside northwest. That means say wetin side way they call am say Bamenda. The boy them vex as how we una don't get the tori. Other vex na for France. No be France people begin the vex. No be Emmanuel Macron the country people. Una go see na black people. Una go see na Cameroon flag. Them come out as how we man where the Nag Motumbu stand for that side. It is sing song. They sing that same song where they sing inside Bamenda. They sing this song too. Now for Paris for France say. How many people them could kill them inside Cameroon country? The people they talk say wetin palava for killing no be that so inside northwest and southwest. Except for far north, except for other side inside country. How many people them go kill them? How long people go they suffer way and na bad if they them inside this country? They talk say themselves what they dey now for that side for white man country. Some people them some of them not even get a house for or sleep for them. They try say wetin make they get some more money send them back for inside country. So that family people they fine. They try say may they try for see how a good plan could they so that may they support my country they go now for before. It won't be so. They had it vex say with them don't hear say money where it pass 100 billion where they come out say na money where it give for whole country for palava corona. People them take am saying that them be big people that inside Yaoundé they put am for their pocket. Even time where people they knack to say wetin them don't take money for coronavirus put am inside pocket. Something you know they happen. People the way they be hold the money they know them fine but same now so we never hear say they don't send some person inside Ngata. They don't send it for back counter for the palava for corona. The boy they talk say wetin if you know they happen themselves they go hold for that side. All man where they know say we don't hold that money for corona. All man where they know say they cause trouble inside the country. Them could wait for that side when it come them could put it their own counter. Now strong number that way they talk for that side. They talk to other plenty kind thing them. Now so we go come out for side for France. Come back this time where we don't finish with that gather for vex. We internal and inside country. Take we now go for that side we sabi when na kumba. Waiting the happen. Now the picking where they born am. The picking where they don't born the emam. Even the mommy way hold am so na here he come be them for that side for Fiangu market. We sabi kumba well they see they picking they say wetin. Mommy them know how way he had for take picking inside belle. Mommy them know how way he had for carry picking for 9 months. Mommy them sabi how way he strong for say me you go born picking. How man go born picking? Mam. Serve na wetin be the happen. If you go talk so for some man say take the picking hold am. I no get chop for give or give me small chop me I give the picking. They hold the picking since go see Kitu people do investigate. Man no the green come say they so na picking. They don't hold the picking suit it come big so they be MEWC be na Simon. They ask am say wetin who be the mommy. Seven now where the picking they even 6 Simon. As how when I see am so mommy no the green come out. Kitu people the way they don't talk say they could open their eyes, sharpen and for see who be the mommy. They never see them. Some of the women inside Fiangu market for Kumba, it talks in way be happen.
They abandon the pikin, so they rush to the pikin to hospital. While the people carry go for police and now they directly may take it go for hospital first for medical treatment. So after that they see struggle for the investigation for who get the pikin. But till date you never know who drop the pikin for the place where the pikin. If they now for care for under doctors without borders. The mommy went away the pikin, the mommy be very heartless. So we as women they will no suffer for pikin. They will carry us for 9 months to show where people then they outside they find and people they take medicine pump am. So they that belle they nearly can come out just because say they want pikin. The man will get opportunity for born his own if they can abandon her. No matter how sick where the pikin be, but if you go around cry for help, may they help the pikin and they will help you too. Than say for more go abandon her. So anytime the woman then only God will know what to do. Yeah, for now so they be taking normally from investigation say the pikin come up Baron camp.
Baron camp.
Yes. Okay. So now they begin the upstation for hospital custody now. So
yes, Natorida now man pre-can be give with that phone number for side for Kumba. Una sabi as how we go for that side for Kumba. They talk security. So now they see check sense for see whether na who end up picking. Another strong number we don't finish with Kumba picking. We go internet for different number. Waiting with the Natorina with the talk na di palava for cannabis. Yes, I'm na cannabis who we talk. Sabi say wetin we dey na for village where they call am saying Bonny wetin inside the village dem. The village dey na for that side for Noon division. That mean say wetin under Fumbot subdivision. Wetin dey happen for that side? We go enter so una go see how we dey go. Mo we dey go small. Una dey see na Kitu people that we don can enter for here. Na Konda una dey see am say na farm for corn. But small so na banga that. That mean say wetin na this side where they make cannabis. They go farm and for here you come you think also na some grass don't come up for corn but na side that way that boy they take that thing before they smooth it climb for their head. Kitu people they take collage them chapie all leave the money corn chapie carry the thing go for gendarmerie post for that side for Fumbot them burn am all the toxic wetin no be na fine thing we get for the happen inside country because say when people they don't take them so they know they behave fine. That means say when they don't take that thing, they climb for their head, they know they do good thing them again. Now big man that way, if he carry boy they enter for day. Now big Ajudan that for that side for Noon division. He to talk say wetin na population be give them this strong talk. First say he as Ajudan Chodon Zeng where he carry boy them enter for that village. It also na some faraway village inside that side for Fumbot. So them they catch them every day, they burn them every day. Banga they that so come out, some people they that so bring them even inside Dualam, but so farm for day it go na for before. They say wetin animal way no any farm way they work that thing for day, make it can knock them to so that may they enter for that side, scatter them way. Yes, we go leave that other palava, not the other story where the happen for that side for Limbe. When I sabi say wetin palava for water, we don't tell when I say Limbe. Una know say even time where they talk say the one play woman damba for that side for Limbe. Palava for water, it no be that they talk say nothing that we make the program. It no go as how way people want them say may go for side for Limbe. Limbe that so it could be for side where they could knock the even man damba for 2021. Water be see been a problem for Limbe. Several way Limbe there for under Mount Cameroon where the fit talk say na watershed. So for Atlantic Ocean, people no be get good water for drink. But now so they talk say with some small cans so the inside outside for Limbe as how we what Tori man, Davidson man, mo begin Tori we they don't enter for small water. They talk say with many people then take and small drink. People they talk say self not only then they get time, may they push and all go for different side them. Many people they get small water they drink. How it be say the day for side where water they plenty, but for say may they give small money for move water for ground give people them. It dey be na that so trouble. Me una hear the mami them. They say wetin they don't suffer plenty. They suffer for water. It don't stay.
We don't suffer plenty for water for this Mokeba farm. The past 6 to 7 years, we don't get water problems. Suffer water. Pikin they go school late. Parents they go work late because they don't even get water for what. Water for even make breakfast, for chop, for drink tea. We thank the Limbe one council we don't come put with the borehole. As the borehole don't cancel, it don't solve with plenty problem for water. At least 50% of the problem don't be solved for now. now at least 50 because the quarter over big. About 3,000 people that stay around this area.
No, we really suffer for water. We used to come up at 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock night, go be for public tap. We never even shop for water. So they really be happy. With the time the people the way they provide really water. So
do water we will see and now, so we will over suffer because of water. When we wake up go for public tap, there's sometime it don't cut. Sometimes water not even through for 1 week, 2 weeks, as we don't already get water, so we thank the council. But wait they don't do for their work. If they continue with this kind of spirit, so it means say with the rare progress we go before.
With the first day for ambassador we would suffer. We don't get water. First day we would go for 12 o'clock, then we go find water with this here. Now with the glass say water don't enter for our water. Then I will find it that way they don't do it for we. We don't run war, we can't be for Limbe here. We don't work out for this house, we don't see even people water go. So you want to go buy and do only population. Sometimes you want to buy and water don't cut. You can't done, you want to cook sometimes, you want to wash clothes, water no day. You go be okay at last. Where government, they don't solve it, you can't put water right for you. Water day, at least we cry so you don't enter for council here. And we'll be very glad to the year to our cry.
Yes, so water say we know they na outside for inside Limbe sabi say wetin the mami don't can give people them for small or village he own water. That means say village the way they dey for other municipality, but sabi say Limbe big sute na city where Limbe 1, Limbe 2 and Limbe 3 day. Them they talk say wetin other mayors them for other councils that within Limbe they do am for say me all man drink water. Plenty people them too, they don't run the palava kendeng for different side for southwest, even self from northwest. They dey for outside for Limbe water. Now that's what palava. Mami, what will make you for say me you take water, go for the water?
The way I see that the glad, it give me joy. Say water na very important commodity for population. So I only beg them say, as we don't put the water for here, make the try for whole and fine. Make they clean the environment fine. If they whole and fine, then other things they go add to their population. We go continue not only for here for Mokeba farms, but we go carry this project to other quarters so that may Limbe, may they not too suffer for water pala.
Yes, na glad for people there for Mokakadad with their big madam where they knock to Riso. Na madam mayor that for that side for Limbe as how we were man. They've seen my moy take I see and for we now so con people who go knock to way concern with Tory people them wait we Tory people they don't do sabi say we say we never get our own Simon Dongabe when I see am so na Tory people the way they knock Tory for English inside Douala them they call their place with na Cameroon Association of English Speaking Journalists that me say wait Kamasech yes. Now Kamasech be the name. Them don't gather another president that the woman when they see him. Now he self he look out all Tory people the way they not Tory. Now for Queen Elisa a country talk inside Douala. He gather people them with the other people the way they work in ESCO people them. They talk say with inside the month. Now first Sunday we don't gather yesterday see say with we could make them so that me will work. They go now for before. Wait till we go make them so that may be say when one man get matter or we go enter for day we go take our hand put her inside that matter make we know the common our matter our hand for matter we concern any of we inside Douala because say with the Tory people they dey so they work hard because sometimes them they talk something they vex some people they call you for phone. Now the thing where they happen for that side for South region country people Tory people them for they better they them. Some Tory people them they don't cry say with so they catch Tory people them for South region beat them. As how we must go show with the one some power day for here now man we even been a delegate for that means say delegate for communication for that side for Ocean Division for South region when Sabi Usa Ocean Division day now for South for Kribi in the crisis with since if you don't write something for a newspaper they that's so call it na Tory people that for South region say trouble they plenty they call them for phone they text say with who go kill you why you be talk so who go knock you why you be right so we go now the powder too now newspaper that way talk it talk say what even ye they know they agree fear ye where ye been a big man it talk say come on go for some council session for that side for Niete it don't go see thing they know they go for before sabi say we Tory people there we na see and talk we na hear and talk That means say we see say not the worker who go talk am. You want talk am, na you hate the one carry go. They talk say wetin them go hold in knack am well. He declare say wetin Cameroon people una know so that if someday they talk say they don't knack you for some time, boss here una go sabi say wetin na people them from that side. Sabi say wetin no be first time this run knack tori. Several man wa tori man they be don hold you for that side. Man where they be in our eye. For Equinox story house from that side, they be too knacky put it inside matam. We put our food now for ground before we move it for day. Different Tory people them inside country where una sabi them be host on one them for different talk house them put them for Bangata knock on one them myself so the one they move them people the way they do that thing for them now them now so they for Bangata una sabi say wetin where you they show so you get small power them go show you say power pass power. We serve one man. Now all we go there for your back for seeker say wetin Tory people them their work now for sitting talk and when they see a thing wey you need to do and fine them no could leave you they could talk am. Yes, the people who go come up for that side because the knack Tory they go now for before take we now go now for the other side the village where it na for side for east region for Cameroon. That means say wetin na Zamboe village. Sabi say the people them for that side they be don dey suffer plenty because say wetin people they be dey comot for that side for Central Africa can't hold them gun do the upward eye take their chop them take their food take their cow. You want send cry inside Yaoundé then send B soldier them say wetin make they go stay na for the village na helicopter that can put them small motor don take them go put them for this small place side wey na school too them go dey hang that so for day. Them two one come for day they talk say wetin how we gun be dey comot for inside Central Africa enter for day set school. Pikin wan go for school, they go kidnap you, talk say mommy them pay money or their papa they pay money for ransom. Pikin they run all the leave school if you remain for scatter. Be they talk say wetin all man go school for that side, them go that so day. See people them for the village, nothing that way they be use them for protect themselves. See the palm, now them that they be look at the village where it is so they be they suffer suited because people the way they come up for Central Africa when I sabi say war for day, nothing way is still there, you know the green finish. Now they carry that gun, can't find that chop now for the village for that side for east region for country as how the people them be they suffer. But now so they talk say we see how they be don't come so they go see whether thing could come back for normal for them for that side for village or east region when a Zamboe village. Yes, our country people who would knock different thing now so make we go knock Nandamba. I don't tell when I say I could tell when I for Palava for Garwa. See so now Minister Narcis Mole come be that na sport minister that he don't take it boy the intergawa. Sabi say Tory be hot inside country. So the people that for North region talk say wetin. Them don't hear say Tory don't enter them say all planned on the day say wetin. Them could come out Garwa for side them way they get for host matches for AFCON. If that thing happen, them for North people, self for Garwa Marwa, people the way they from ground them no could agree. That one say that discrimination palava, they must finish all thing for day. The Tory be na say self fee for day, they never finish, self hotel them, hospital them for day, they never be ready. Narcis Mole come be enter for day, take ICD fee, enter for day, take IC hotel them talk say wetin, ye and the people they don't see say fee for Garwa, you don't be ready. That means say wetin, something now they say Garwa could come up for that list. The one they way they never agree finish they must to finish before 2022. It can't reach when I sabi say wetin they talk say na AFCON 2021 but they go knock down the man for 2022. Yes, for that side for January February them sabi say wetin he talk say for that side for Garwa they don't get some two hotel the way they don't be Hotel Obenue. It remain na small make they finish Hotel Obenue and the other hotel where when they say I'm so waiting. That means they don't see say other hotels. So if you carry people them for that side for Garwa plenty, do not be Hotel Obenue. Yes, now Hotel Obenue that they show them for that side. It talk say that one day fine. That other hotel where stand for front, they call them say Lo Ribado. They talk say Lo Ribado too. If you carry two team them, sabi say when Garwa na one side, it the host na four teams them. Minister they talk say wetin two team they go sleep for one hotel, then another two team they go sleep for Lo Benue. And people the way na officials they could do for some other hotel, self 3 hotel ko Garwa could do the work. They talk say match them they could knock am for Couton Sport start for Garwa, knock someone there for Senages, knock someone for and next for Star where they build am now so for Garwa. Even how we Garwa they hard so bored them could play for that side. Something you know they say they move Garwa for list. Minister Ibwande Inter Garwa where he said be take food go for Highlands, sabi say for Grassland too. Them could knock down them back for that side for Bafoussam. It take na aeroplane or helicopter or na aeroplane. Yes, it enter that side for Bafoussam. He be go now with person for Kabwe be in charge of the hotels them and other logistics them. wey na man for Senegal. They enter for day na hotel and that for Bafoussam. They enter for Bafoussam. They talk say with the side for West Region. They get 10 hotels them where they don't already be ready. You know they for Garawa when they see hotels see them now for almost foundation level. They talk say it go be ready. The one then so they talk say 6 hotels and they were they na inside Bafoussam CSF and 4 other one then they out of Bafoussam. 1 for Bangu, 2 for Bafang and 1 day for that side for Bangante. Now for side for hotels and that Sabi say it will be na palava for look hotels them because say palava for start if you don't be on stage start for Kwekon for Bafoussam una sabi then we don't the knock matches them for day even female AFCON then we don't knock number for day so yes other competition no be female AFCON then we don't knock other international competition for that side that means say it don't be ready that means say side for Bafoussam it could be na since mole come be talk na say wetin all thing it don't be that means say Cameroon they go nayo then they go whole thing for say make the knock the and Damba for that time. Now we go that so begin the look up because say what you not be say don't finish for all sides. That's how when I don't see Garwa, he says it begin the point hotel or Benue. All we will see where they see dinner for pillars them. It go finish. We go come for here begin the knock them. Sabi say what you will hold. We know for hold their canals well. Now so country people newspaper the inside country they sabi they plenty. Today na Monday we start now with the municipal updates as how we almost one time. It talks say all Cameroon people they don't gather they talk na historic homage. That means say we see farewell they talk na historic rest in peace or farewell for Simon Achidi Achu, one time Prime Minister, first Anglophone Prime Minister, and one time Senator. They bury for Santa na so for Saturday. They see talk say we see GCE don't enter week 2. The Post newspaper see talk na Simon Achidi Achu. Cameroon people they don't gather plenty for say goodbye for Simon Achidi Achu flag for on top that body. The paper to see talk about the one say the Director General for National Security don't talk say with him for the palaver for biometric passports and ID cards them. First people the way they don't do apply they don't already get their passport them within 24 hours. Now the Post they talk that the Guardian Post talk say all Cameroon people gather talk say Papa go you fine. They talk na for Simon Achidi Achu as how when I see Prime Minister John Gote holds that he body that me coffin he put flag for they say Paul Biaron talk say me put you for grand cordon now so they talk that French talk for they Sabi say wetin na even some woman that Ma Achidi Achu dad where she don Ma Judy ya Achidi Achu Sunday yes Naida is she don and with the other picking them for the pa wey be if don die the other 2 son them they talk with one of their mommy wey na Ma Judy ya Achidi and another newspaper na the reporter they say all newspaper for Cameroon too big story na this story for Achidi Achu where they be buried for Saturday but the paper still talk about that other one where new National Communication Council chair president that means say wetin they don dey after their inauguration they don start work inside Yaoundé today. Sabi say they talk about Professor Tanjong where he be one of the ministers the members them for NCC and the Horizon Tuesday talk say wetin Achidi Achu he don comot back for a funeral for Santa. Wetin it mean na strong talk that talk say wetin time when people gather for bury Simon Achidi Achu he come up back he put picture where one of you picking it dey inside some 2 CBT and big people dey inside nowhere some other strong number for the one they talk say wetin for inside the paper they talk say una get inside the paper discover how the Santa Kakus he be don scratch Achidi Achu back. Una sabi Achidi Achu with the strong talk where we talk say politics Nanjangi you crash my back I crash your back. Cardinal to me he last talk we talk before he die. Now the Chronicle Times for DP Cham Victor he say wetin Cardinal Toumi be talk some strong talk before he pass away. He see talk palava Simon Achidi Achu then talk to say wetin over 170,000 students them they don't take GC examination that mean ordinary advanced level technical and general outside inside Cameroon country and they don't enter day 2 today. That means week 2 they don't enter inside this week now number 2 day for the ride. Another newspaper D1 commodity for politics the Astute Inc for DP Emmanuel Fonban he talk say wetin say devil inside fight between Jovi and Stanley Eno na who he dey talk say wetin na who he dey cause the fight between Jovi and Stanley Eno una sabi Cameroon music una know say wetin dey fit call say the one na the big vulture na so Jovi dey call him name Stanley Eno say be the King Kong na 2 strong people dey inside Cameroon music industry but na say wetin their fan them they no dey comot fine at all Man, they talk say, man, the coach man. It they say na fight for big people them. The other newspaper, that's what they talk, mainly entertainment. If you go talk about some new man way, it is sing now. They don't take it 18 years. It is Nag Mutumbu for one side as a studio for inside side for Yaoundé. If you talk Palava highway music industry for Cameroon, it they go for before and they talk say what they get for do for say what may they go reach for Nigerian music industry or a reach for American music industry. Country people, we the time we na plenty, we don't get to read today. We know say we na be shidon, we na never come out. We nak to read sute go finish plenty. Other one day na Monday, but sabi say what for techniques today how we go fine. Na emo song of video them. Malice video too for us for push song for say make I get images. Man we can put camera on top maski. Na that's what emo song go. At the time I come with the Joel La Flare, where they say moto for that side. At the time meet up with now, my mommy for that side for Maryland for US, Ma Juan, at the 12 salute for you two and other country people them for that side for US self direct them, Tingum, Asabi una hold am tight.